because of the gravitational pull of an object that moves vertically downward and gain an acceleration. Linearly, it is possible to treat the net force, which is equal to mass times acceleration. Word problem into equation. እነዚህን ነገሮች በመጠቀም word problemን እንዴት ወደ equation መቀየር እንችላለን? V square is equal to V naught square plus 2gh for horizontal motion. If it is vertical, we are using the height.
Temaribet, country. Temaribet, Lanta.
ኦኬ ወደ ተማሪዎቻችን እንኳን ወደ ተማሪ ቤት በሰላም መጣችሁ። በዛሬው ቪዲዮአችን የምናየው ስለ free falling ይሆናል። Before proceed our today's lesson, let's say something about gravity ባይኖር ምን እንሆን ነበር? That is free falling mean falling of an object by the influence of gravity. Let's drop two things. One by throwing and the other one is by simply losing. What will be happen, or what is the difference between these two conditions? The first one is my additional force that acting on it. Because of that, it is difficult to treat as a free fall. But in the second case, I release the marker vertically downward. The only force that acted on it is the gravitational force, so that we can treat as a free fall. Free fall means something falls freely because of gravity. Freely because of gravity. If there is an additional force acted on it, it can't be treated as a free fall. We have, in case of this, a material or a released object have its own constant acceleration, that is motion in one dimension. Because of the gravitational pull of an object that moves vertically downward and gain an acceleration. Linearly, it is possible to treat the net force, which is equal to mass times acceleration. But in case of an object that moves vertically downward or falls because of gravitational pull of Earth, we are treating the weight of an object, which is equal to mass times gravity, so that it is possible to take as acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity for free falling is our best practical example for uniformly accelerated motion. And then we have 5 basic formulas from that we are used in case of GT for free fall. That is S is equal to UT plus half GT square. This sign is depending on the direction of the falling object. If it moves vertically upward, always acceleration due to gravity is negative. Because of that, we must use the negative sign. And the last one is V square is equal to V naught square plus 2gh. H in case this for linear, for horizontal motion. If it is vertical, we are using the height, because both terms have, respectively, we are using distance for horizontal motion, h is the vertical one. So, respectively, we must use the formulas. So, from this, it is possible to determine every required. What our V is given, possible to get G and T. Let me assure you one thing here, how we are ready to convert word problem into equation, which means how far, what is our required in case of the word problem state how far, how long, how fast. This is the mechanism to convert word problem into a question. እነዚህን ነገሮች በመጠቀም ወርድ ፕሮብሌምን እንዴት ወደ ኢኩዌሽን መቀየር እንችላለን? ሃው ፋር ሲባል ምን ማለት ነው? ሃው ሎንግ ሲባል ምን ማለት ነው? ሃው ፋስት ሲል ምን ማለት ነው? እነዚህ ነገሮች ወርድ ፕሮብሌምን ወደ ኢኩዌሽን የምንቀይርባቸው ዌዮች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ይሄን ካየን እሺ ስታርቲንግ ፍሮም ረስት አለ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? our initial velocity is 0 if your question or your problem state v naught is equal to 0 starting from rest. What will be happen? Come to rest. Its final velocity should be 0. እነዚህን በደንብ አድርገን ማወቅ ይኖርብናል ማለት ነው። Let's go through our example part. A stone falls straight from a window 45 meters below. How fast is the stone going just as it the ground? ይሄ ማለት መጀመሪያ እንዴት አድርገን ጥያቄውን እንረዳለን? ምን ተሰጥቶናል? በዚህ ውስጥ የሚታወቁ ምን ነገሮች አሉ? ለምሳሌ ሃይቱ ተሰጥቶናል። ሃይቱ that is h of the building is 45 ሜትር ነው። ስለዚህ how fast ነው ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? how fast እና how fast ስንል ስፒድ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ our required is speed. Solution እንዴት አድርገን ቪን ማምጣት እንችላለን? ከዚህ ውስጥ ሌላ ናውን የሆነ ነገር ምን አለን? ቪ ኖት አለን። ቪ ኖት ምንድነው በዚህ ጊዜ? 0 because for free fall initial velocity is always 0 so that v square is equal to v naught square plus 2gh. We have 3 formula. From that formula we are picking this one. So our initial velocity is 0. We must be use or substitute by 0. And then v square is equal to 2gh. Both sides let's insert and radical. That is v is equal to 2 times g, as always we must be know that is 10 meters per second square or 9.8 meters per second. And our h is 45 times 45 meter. So 2 times this one is 90 is 900 meter square per second square. What's our next step is simply it is a perfect square possible to take out from the radical, that is meter per second. This is for how fast is. Our required is how fast, so possible to getting such a way. Now the next question is how much does it take the stone to fall? ይሄ ደግሞ ምንድነው የሚጠይቀን? That is time. How much does it take the stone to fall? ምን ያህል ይጠይቀናል? ይሄን ለማግኘት ደግሞ s is equal to ut plus half gt square. We have a formula here. It is, as we know, initial velocity is 0 because it is already known from our given, so it is possible to take as 0. And then that is s, that is 45 to s is equal to 1 over 2 gt square. To take out t square as a subject, we must be multiplied by 2s divided by g is equal to t square. It's inserting under radical, that is t is equal to 2 times s is already known, that is 45 divided by g is known, that is 10, that is 90, this is 2, that is meter per second meter, and this one is 10 meter per second square So it should be inserting and radical. Meter by meter will be cancel out, and it is possible to reciprocate, and one by one will be cancel out, and which one will be remain here? 9 second square. It is also a perfect square, so possible to take out from the radical, that is 3 second. This much time is required to cover that much length ማለት 45 ሜትሩን ለመውረድ የሚያስፈልገው ጊዜ 3 ሰከንድ ነው። በምን ያህል ስፒድ የሚጓዝ ከሆነ በ30 ሜትር ፐር ሰከንድ የሚሄድ ከሆነ የሚፈጅበት 3 ሰከንድ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Let's go through our exercise part. A ball dropped from a balloon reached the ground in 20 seconds. Determine the height of the balloon if it was at rest for a second in the air. Our time is already given 20 seconds. A bottle that drop and to reach the surface of the earth into 20 seconds. Our time is 20 seconds. And what is our required is height. Required h. How can we solve this one? Solution. H is equal to ut plus half gt square. Is there any more given here? Yeah. Always something that drop falls, or in case of free falling, our initial velocity is always 0, so that we are treating this one as 0. So h is equal to, this means it is initial velocity 0, so we are substituting at 0 by half 10 meter per second square multiplied by our time. Here it is already given, that is 20 second square. H is equal to half by 2 1 by 2 5 times 20 square is 400 second square. This one is meter per second square, 5 meter per second square. So second by second will be cancel, that is square, and meter 5 times 400 is 2000 meter. This is the height of this. Second by second will be cancelled out, and which one will be remain here? That is meter. So 5 times 400, which gives us 2000 meter. This is all about what we have today. Let's recap what we have seen. What is free fall? Is something that falls because of gravitational pull of the earth. The only force that acted on an object is gravity. Because of that, an object are treating as a free fall. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to share the video for your friends. Leave your comment on the comment section. Join our community on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and TikTok. See you on next video. Bye bye.